Good morning, travelers. It has been a whirlwind of an evening. Arriving to this city, not late last night, but maybe around 9 or 10, and having to wait in the airport for 3 or 4 hours just to find out that our flight had been canceled and that we're stuck here in the city, mind the construction noise, for the day. So I get to take advantage of a brand new city, yikes, that I didn't have in my plans to see. So stay tuned for some adventures. Electrifying.
Welcome to the new town, explore a few steps there. I just wanted to show you, this bridge used to be so in case you'll be bored, you can try to find them all. It's pretty good challenge because of the streets.
Where does it start? Is it where it starts is dirty?
No idea, honestly.
No, it's the river cut from